as we put on a zip on our shirt, don't forget to top stitch on the other side. Don't have to forget top stitch. Like this one. After top stitching, again change it like this so that we put on our zip. And before putting on a zip, you have to sew on the shoulders, on the shoulder sides, like this. So you sew on the shoulder sides so that it will be easier for you to put on the zip and remove this one unwanted thread. After that, you come and get your zip. Get your zip here and you change your cloth like this. Again to the back side and the good side. Your zip, you open here. It's a must the good side meets with the good side, and the bad side will be on the same bad side.
Wrong.
As you're seeing, and you being this side, they have to be equal.